Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Dress Story, one of those online boutiques that pop up on your feed with stunning dresses at too good to be true prices. But is it actually legit or just another online shopping trap? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. So the Dress Story site looks pretty polished, lots of trendy pieces and major discounts. But the red flags kinda hard to ignore. First off, I couldn't find a Trustpilot rating for them. That's already a bit sketchy, especially for an e-commerce brand. And over on Reddit, some users are calling the site out as suspicious, reporting long shipping delays, poor quality items, or even no deliveries at all. Plus, the site was only recently registered and their contact info is pretty bare bones, not a great look for building trust. The dress story might look fashionable, but the lack of reliable reviews and sketchy user experience would make it a risky bet. If you're into fashion, maybe stick to more established sites unless you're okay with rolling the dice. Have you shopped at the dress story? Drop your experience in the comments, and if you like honest reviews like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe.